Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Adams with Messer Financial. Today I'll be sitting down with Micah Mathews, our Vice President of Marketing here at Messer Financial, and we're going to be talking about what's going on with ACA in 2026. For access to the full webinar, find the link in the description. Let's dive in.
I would say for short-term medical, you definitely want to have UH1, Allstate. Yep, that's another big one. Pivot Health is a good one.
Yep.
And then for indemnity plans, you're going to want to have UH1, Manhattan Life, Allstate,
There's
Aflac, GTL. I mean, there's just so many of them. So again, each situation, each carrier has their own niches of why. Like UH1, obviously, it's United Healthcare. They have the name recognition. They have very rich benefits on their plans, but they're also a little more expensive. Allstate has a more reduced benefit plan. They don't quite have the recognition like a United Healthcare, but they're also lower premiums, that type of stuff. But you would know that by speaking to a marketer or one of us, because remember, when we give you advice, we're not giving it to you based off of trying to force a product down your throat. We're doing it based off of an unbiased perspective, based off of what our experience is, because we always try to do what's in the best interest of the client. Right. If you do not do what's in the best interest of the client, I promise you they will not stick with you.
In some of those short-term medical plans, you'll see it's more of like they're the umbrella and they have other smaller carriers under them so they can hit those policy durations during the year. So if you're in a North Carolina and it's a 3+1, so you get 4 months out of it, they have another carrier right there that you can flip into.
Yes.
So to kind of give you that full coverage throughout the year.
And also, South Carolina I think is a 2-year, Florida's 3 years. So it really depends on the state that you're marketing it in. But again, it's always a viable opportunity. And plus, folks, think of it this way. And again, this goes back to the higher demographic. You're the agent. I go in. I say, Mr. and Mrs. Client, you were going to pay $1,200, but hey, I'm going to offer you something that your current agent didn't do. Have you looked at these catastrophic plans? No, I haven't looked at it. Great. Let me show it to you. Okay, this sounds great. Perfect. Sign me up. I just saved you $500. Now I've just got a client that I just saved $500, and they're all relatively healthy. What can I do next? Well, I know that you've got some money available for other things. We can talk about life insurance. We can talk about dental, vision, and hearing. We can talk about indemnity plans, whatever it is. So the flexibility on what you can do for these folks in the higher scale is endless. So again, it all comes down to what you're looking to do, but that's just another benefit of having a higher demographic as far as financial and health.
And you're also, you're also having the other plans available like accident coverage, especially those with kids and families, critical illness and cancer insurance. You're right. That's definitely something we need to start talking about.
I met with Banner Life yesterday, talking about their term insurance. Incredibly affordable. Really? And they even have a 40-year term. I couldn't believe it. It's like 40-year term, all the way up to a 45-year-old. So, I mean, heck, there you go. I just saved you $500. Do you have any life insurance for your kids? What happens to you if your income were to stop?
Oh, you said a 40-year term?
40-year term.
Oh, wow.
I've never had heard that before in my life.
I have not heard that.
The number one downside of a term insurance is it's likely not to pay. Well, I'm telling you what, you sign up in 45 and you do a 40-year term, that's probably a good chance that that's going to pay out. Yeah. Again, just little things like that. So I highly advise you guys, speak to a marketer because we can give you tidbits like that. I always get asked questions. What's the new hot thing? What can we do to add on to drive additional income? What can we provide to our clients to grow our client book? Whatever it is, we can give you those kind of options.
This is just a taste of the full webinar, which you can find in our description. Or you can watch more of our content here.